Getting started with Camtasia Studio, and what is the first window you see in Camtasia Studio. After completing this video tutorial, you will be able to understand how to start a new project, how to start a new recording, or how to open already existing project in Camtasia Studio. When you click on Camtasia Studio application icon, this is the window you see in the beginning. It has these buttons like new project, new recording, and open project. These are very familiar if you are using softwares regularly. When you click here, this opens a new project. This is similar to this new project. Project is existing. It will ask you, do you want to save this already existing project? No. See, this is the fresh project. Now it is ready to edit, ready to import the content, records, and you can start editing. This is Camtasia Studio. When you click on new recording, this opens Camtasia Studio recorder. Actually, now it is recording. Before this, we find the actual recorder. You will see that in the future lectures, next lecture, what is Camtasia Studio recorder and what are the different options present in it. Right now, I am recording this lecture with Camtasia Studio. And third option is open project. When you click here, this is similar to open project. This opens a browser and you can open already existing project into the Camtasia Studio. We recorded previously. Now you can start editing in Camtasia Studio. Project is different from Camtasia recorder. You need to understand that clearly. This is the project. When you click on import media, see, these are the recorded records, not projects. These projects are in green color and records in red color. That is the main difference between Camtasia Studio project and Camtasia Studio recorded file. You need to understand that when you start working with the Camtasia Studio. When you open this, it comes over into here. This is one clip or one element used for editing. You can drag and drop here. This is when you start recording. New project is includes all the recorded files. See, this is one recorded file, this is one recorded file. All these files present in the media bin. If you save this project and save as, you can name it as. Now this is a new project, Camtasia Studio project. You can open that project. That is how to get started with Camtasia Studio.